Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to my channel. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe me. At this time, I want to teach you how to work with text in your image. So, our target is this one. Right click and open with Adobe Photoshop 2020. Unlock it, press Ctrl J and create a copy from the first layer and choose the layer. Press Ctrl plus because we want to zoom. So yes, it is okay. Choose this one. Write your text. Move it here. Press Ctrl T. Press Shift and do this one. Okay. From here and from here. Yes. Press Ctrl Enter. It's okay. Right click and rasterize this one. Press Ctrl J again. Move this one down. Right. Press Ctrl T and flip, yes, horizontal, right click, perspective and press shift and do this one. Nice. Press control. Okay, we move this one up. Now we are here. Do some A subtraction. Okay, and exposure. We can do it. Yes, and press Ctrl plus. Okay. Oh, doesn't matter. We choose this tool one and move it here. Right click on this one and clip mask. It's okay. Again, I think it's better we do some changes. This one, press Ctrl Enter and do some changes at this one again. Yes, press Ctrl Enter. Okay, so for this one, double click at this one. I want to do some changes as a stroke. Yes, this one is, I think, okay. Outer glow overlay. Yes, and inner. Now it is good. Yet this one is good. At here we change it to overlay. It is zoom it again. Yes. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please, if you like it, subscribe my channel.